here's your next word in French. Oui. Oui. It means yes. Oui. So how would you say in French, yes, it's for me? Oui, c'est pour moi. Oui, c'est pour moi. Yes, it's absolutely delicious. Oui, c'est absolument délicieux. Oui, c'est absolument délicieux. Yes, I think it's good. Oui, pour moi c'est bon. Oui, pour moi c'est bon. Now here's a common yet very useful word in French. Merci. Merci. It means thank you or thanks. Merci. Now this is a good place to point out a little pronunciation tip in French. You always emphasize the last syllable or the final part of the word. So in the word merci, you'll hear that we stress the si part, merci. We don't say merci, we say merci. And this is true with all words in French. You always stress or emphasize the last part of the word. Let's have a look at some of the words we've already learnt. Delicious is déliCIEUX, déliCIEUX. So we stress the cieux part at the end. We don't say déliCIEUX or déliCIEUX. We say déliCIEUX, déliCIEUX. The word for here is ici, ici. So it's not ici, but ici. We stress the second I, the bit at the end, ici. Absolutely is absoluMENT, absoluMENT. So we stress the ment at the end, absoluMENT. So it's not absoluMENT or absoluMENT, it's absoluMENT. And fantastic in French is fantasTIQUE, fantastique. So it's not fantastique or fantastique, it's fantastique. We stress the tique part at the end, fantastique. And that's the same with the word that we've just learnt, merci. Merci, which means thank you or thanks. So you always stress the last part of a word in French. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.